walk around from Pennsylvania, and I'm glad to be here. I never ever thought I would be here, but by the grace of God, I'm here. And I give Him all the glory, the honor, and praise for bringing us here safe and sound.
Yes.
And what else? Oh, the reason why I'm here.
Yeah.
Well, first of all, life is short. You know.
Yes.
Nothing's promised, so why not? You know, come back home. Yeah. This is my home.
Yes.
You know,
certainly is.
These are my people.
Yes.
And I'm just glad to be here. The time is right.
It's feeling pretty good so far.
Yes.
Yes. Good.
Yes.
Good.
But I want to visit other parts of the continent.
The funny thing,
yes. This is your first trip to Africa?
Lord.
This is your first trip to
You don't
Africa?
feel any discrimination
so
at all. You understand?
Visiting the whole continent.
As opposed to if you were to visit Europe, you'd have to worry about what is this person going to do?
Good.
What is this
We're so glad you're with us.
And I'm glad to be with you all.
Great place to start.
Yes.
Yes, it is. What is your profession?
I work in pharmaceuticals.
You say it's okay. It's okay.
I work for a big time dope deal.
We're glad you're in there, sister, because you're here.
Don't tell her I wouldn't be here.
that money?
Yeah, bro. We're glad that.
Yes. Thank you.
Well, look, we're glad that you're here, and we're glad that you are here to travel the whole of Africa. Is there anything else you want to let the family know about you? You can come back at any time. But I'm glad that I'm meeting you and getting a sense of you. And don't be any kind of way about, wanting to come and dance like we danced before on the dance floor. Look, it's something about when we get together and move and groove together. Y'all realize that? It is. Even on the bus stop, we have to stretch our legs, so we walk, we dance, we move. But I really am enjoying your energy. It's not so much what you say, but who you be. Yeah, you have a wonderful vibration, and you're definitely in the right place at the right time with the right people doing the right thing. You feel that, right? Ma'am?
Like you said, they have a quiet spirit.
Yeah,
very quiet spirit. And back home, it's like,
Now, where's home again?
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania.
Yeah. So it's
Come here. Get this man right here. I know, but he's trying to record you, and this is how.
Oh, okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, the quiet spirit that the people have here, the peacefulness that's in them. So, which I love. It's totally different than back home.
Yeah, it is. And that's a good thing, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it is. Thank you. Let's acknowledge Colleen.